Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are doing some free vibe coding using an open source AI agent called OpenCode, and we use it directly inside VS Code. So no paid tools, no complicated setup, just pure coding flow. So I will show you how to install it, how it works, and how you can use it to write, understand, and refactor code faster right inside your editor. So I just simple come to this site, that is this open code, and here in this we have our documentation and we have all installation steps here, and we can go with curl, npm, burn, and brew as well. So I just simple copy this command, that is with npm, and I just simple come to my IDE, and here what I'll do is like I just simple go to the terminal, and here I just simple paste this command to install OpenCode AI, and now it is installing in my system this OpenCode AI. And now here you can see it show me here this added 3 packages in 3 seconds. Okay, so now we have 2 methods now. So I just simple write here OpenCode and just simple click on enter. And here you can see what it does. It show me the interface of this OpenCode CLI, and from this we can use this AI agent for our task, and for vibe coding, and for every thing we need. Okay, so now I just simply pass here this slash and go to models. Okay, just click on enter, and now here I have a list of models. So these all models are free, and here are very these models are very useful, and also you know about them. And here from this I just simple select this model, that is JLM 4.7 free, and just simple click on enter, and now here I selected this model, and now it show me here this. Okay, so now I have a prompt. Also I show you the command prompt that I am going to give this model, so it will create a complete application for us. So I just simple open my notepad, and here is the prompt that I have ready for it, and we are giving this prompt, and it is about related to job portal application. So I just simple paste this line here and just simple click on enter, and now here I'll show you the prompt as well here. So I just simple mention in it, create a complete front-end only job portal web application using React with npm setup, and also I'll just simple pass here all the requirement that I need in it, pages and all the things here. So we can add in it more things, but for now I just simple this prompt is enough to give you the idea that how powerful this agent and how helpful this is in our daily task or in doing vibe coding for free in Visual Studio Code. So now it will it start processing, and within 2 or 3 minutes it will make complete application for us. So now this is it, and now here you can see it complete this complete prompt, and also it tell me the structure of my this React project, and also in the SRC components I have all the pages here, and in all the shared components here, and all the contacts here. Okay, and this is my main.js file, and also it show me the complete structure here, and also it automatically run it. So I just simple open it and see what it make. Okay, so just open it, and it create this React project with white, and it is completely amazing that it make. Okay, and also I can go to the home jobs page as well, and it create amazing job page here. And also I just will give one more prompt in it, that use internet free online job images in it, because it is not showing any image and tiles on any of the page. Okay, just click on enter, and now hope so it will add these images in it as well. And also you can add with yourself. Also we can add with ourselves in this images, and also I can go to the jobs, and I can find a job here, and also I can post a new job from this page here, and also it create the login page and sign up page here. And on the sign up page it create two options like job seeker and employer. So basically it make a complete structural website of this job portal that usually are. And this is the we can apply now. Just click on this apply now, and we can submit our resume from here. We can add here the name, email, and resume here and apply for it. So I just simply have to wait for this. So hope so it will add images, and if not, you can do this with yourself as well. So now here you can see it will update all the images, images link to online images like Unsplash or all the uh, on all the pages. And now I just simply go to my browser and just simple check it. And now here you can see it add the image in the home header as well. And also when I'll scroll down, it add images here, and now it is looking more good, amazing. And now when I'll just simple make it on small screen, it is responsive as well. And also when I'll just simple click on this apply now, and it is showing me images here. So that's great, amazing. And now it is looking completely amazing. And the other thing is when I'll just simple go to the post job page, it is also responsive. And now this page look more good. And also I can filter with my job as well from a area as well here. Okay, so we can do in it more things as well with just simple one prompt. And so this is the job portal front end. We just simple built it using OpenCode inside VS Code. As you see, from layer to component to styling, everything was generated just by describing what we wanted. Okay, so this is completely front end only, but the structure is clean, professional, and ready to connect with any backend later. So if you are a developer who want to build project faster, experiment with ideas, or just enjoy vibe coding without paying expensive tools, OpenCode is definitely worth it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your developer friend. See you in the next video, and thank you for